What's up guys, it's Ryan here with HomeofTech, and today I'm going to be replacing the cushion on my Solo3. So guys, as you can see here, I picked up these air cushions for the Solo3 from a company called Wicked Cushions. Other people have used them. They're pretty much original or as close to original as possible, so I decided that I was gonna go with them. They came in a simple packaging, not much to the packaging. They came just like this. Took it out of the box this way, so now we're gonna open it and see what's inside the package. Guys, here you have both left and right cushion. You also have two alcohol pads. I guess that's for cleaning the surface after you remove them. And there's some instruction in the package as to how to remove it. So I'm gonna proceed to removing them and installing the new ones. Here you can see where they have 3M double-sided adhesive tape, on them. So when we remove the old ones, we're just gonna be, sticking these on there after removing the tape. Guys, one of the main reasons why we might try to replace these, a lot of people have them and they're torn or they're dirty like mine, because I've had it for a while. Also, we don't really use them as much because we're in the age of earpods now, so most people be using earpods or they use other form of wireless headphones. But I like my Beats, so I'm definitely gonna replace the cushion and continue to use them. I use them specifically when I'm on flights because it covers my ears. My ears are not that big, they're pretty small, so it covers my ears and help with the whole issue with your ears being plugged during flight. But yeah, I'm gonna proceed to replacing them. To do that, we need a butter knife. So this is what I'm gonna use to remove the air cushions. So when removing it, make sure that you stick the knife in between. There's a plastic piece right here. You can feel it. So you gotta stick the butter knife in between that and then you pry. You take your time, work your way around like so until you get it off. Was pretty easy, wasn't too difficult. Also guys, when you get it off, there's gonna be two little white things. I don't know if you can see them, one here, one over here. Those are to line up the new ones when you're putting it back on. Also, it is important to scrape the adhesive off of here before you put the new ones back on. I'm gonna use a different knife to do that because the butter knife is not sharp at all, so it's not gonna be able to get off the adhesive the way it's supposed to. So after you peel up some of it, the rest will easily just peel off. So that's pretty much how you do it. When doing this guys, you have to be careful because you could easily cut yourself depending on the knife that you're using. So use extra caution when removing the adhesive. So guys, there you have it. I removed one side of the adhesive, and I'm gonna use one of the alcohol pads that was provided in the packet to wipe it off. Before I start installing the new cushion. So you wipe it off while it's sitting to the side drying. I want to let you guys know that you could tell which one of the cushions is the right and which one is the left. Here you have the right cushion. You could see the cutout for where it is supposed to go right here where the charging port is. So you have to make sure you line it up with that. And also another indicator, the stitching is at the bottom. So guys, look out for that. Make sure that you put the stitching at the bottom on the left one, because the left one doesn't have that little cutout to show that it's for the right. And it doesn't have an indication that, you know, this is the top or this is the bottom. But I know that because the stitching is at the bottom. So that's how I know, as well as the fact that there's this little cutout. So we already cleaned the left side. So while that's drying, I'm gonna remove the right side, and we want to be very gentle while doing that. Put the butter knife between it, pry up slowly, and it's gonna come up, guys. You just gotta be patient with it. Mine is coming up pretty easy, so that's a good thing. It's pretty much off. And the good thing is that most of the adhesive came off with the old cushion, so that's a plus. I could just peel all the other little piece off quite easily. Might have to switch the knife for that, but yeah, it definitely peeled off pretty easy. So I'm also gonna wipe that side, which is the right side. Remove any extra sticky stuff from it. Make sure the surface is clean. And while the right side is drying, I'm gonna be putting on the left side. It's dry, and then what we're gonna do is, as I said before, there are two little things on it, little thing like pins, one here, one at the top and one at the bottom. So we're gonna be using those to line it up, and as you can see, there are the two pins. There are two pinholes on the new cushion. So that's what we're gonna use to pretty much line it up to make sure that we put it on correctly. So it's a pretty simple install, guys. You shouldn't make any mistake. All you gotta do is peel the adhesive up, and then you just carefully, and remember, the stitching is at the bottom, right? So all you gotta do is carefully, and I think it would be best to put the top in first, followed by the bottom. And then when you put it on, you squeeze it together like this for like 30 seconds. I think I'm gonna just do like 15 or 20 seconds, but yeah, you should squeeze it for 20 seconds, and then you work your way around it, you know, squeezing it like this to make sure the adhesive sticks. So that one is on, and as you can see, compared to the the old one, which is quite dirty. You know, this is from a couple years of use. We have one that is looking quite fresh and clean on the headphones right now. So I'm gonna toss that to the side, and then we're gonna check the right side, and it is dry. So we're gonna proceed to installing or replacing the right side. So just as before, you remove the red covering from the adhesive, and then you line it up from the top, and then you make sure the bottom is lined up. And as I said before, it's quite easy. Squeeze it together for roughly 30 seconds. I'm just gonna do it for maybe like 10 or 15, just because I don't want this video to be super long. And then you release, then you work your way around and squeeze it on. And there you have it, guys. Brand new, looking fresh again. I think I paid $19.99 for them, so they're relatively cheap. You could find this company on Amazon. I think they're also on eBay. I think it's a pretty inexpensive fix, and you know, easy to do, something that you could do at home by yourself. Don't have to take it to a shop or anything. And yeah, it does make your headphones look pretty fresh. As you can see, brand new cushions. Look as if I just took it out of the box. Once more, you might just wanna, you know, squeeze it on a little bit more. And I'll definitely, you know, test them out just to see how they feel and everything. And then you guys will definitely, I'll definitely let you guys know. So guys, that's pretty much it for the install process. So guys, we're gonna be testing them one by one, and I'm listening to the left one right now, and it seems even louder. It sound pretty good. Seem better than before, to be honest. Let me try the right one. The right one works just the same, sound just as loud. Pretty nice, I like it. And both of them together is perfect. Yeah guys, I like it. I really think that they feel, and on here they feel a little bit softer. They feel much softer than the original ones. The original ones felt a little bit harder. These are much softer, and I didn't even notice until I just put it on. They're much softer than the original ones. That's something to note when you pick these up. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, I'll leave a link in the description below. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button. Enable notification to receive future videos, because I will be doing a lot more reviews. So guys, until next time, it's Ryan here with HomeofTech. Peace.